heading outside here to go feed the birds. Give them a chance to get a full belly before night falls. Snow is coming down heavy now. Can't really see it as good. At least it's a whole hell of a lot warmer than it was. Had something come through the yard. Looks like a dog, more than likely. Get these poor babies fed, so at least they have a chance for a full stomach before they go to bed. Oh Lord, we got way over 12 inches now. Fight with the soot feeder. Yeah, that didn't work. Let's see. Oh no, don't tell me that crap. Okay, good. Not completely frozen. Oh, at least it's nowhere near as ungodly cold as it has been. Okay, one little soot cake in. So they need all the fat they can get for energy. But yeah, it looks like a dog. It might have been the fox. I haven't seen it in a long time out here. Yeah, snow is really getting deep here. But I'll take snow any day over ice. My feeders are all frozen. So can't feed them in my feeders. So I've got this window pane set up over my fish emulsion that's brewing. And I'll just sprinkle bird feed out for them. And hopefully they'll get a full belly before they have to roost tonight. Man, it's wonderful that it's a whole lot warmer than it has been. But yep, snow has just about covered up all my footprints from yesterday. Let's see what we can find out here. Oh, that's right. I put food over here for them too. At least it's not near as cold as it has been. But yeah, we've gotten every bit of 12 inches or more. Oh, Lord. Hopefully they'll get a full belly. Let's see, do we see anything? I'm gonna leave my food bowl here and pick that up on the way back. Well, I know either a dog or the fox has been out. It's nice walking out here now because it's nowhere near as cold as it has been. And you can tell the difference. The snow is deeper than the tops of my boots. So I'm gonna have to knock this snow off my pants. Because I don't want my pants being wet. You can kind of barely see where I walked yesterday. Poor garden, I need to get it cleaned up. Because thankfully, it won't be too much longer. Well, don't look like there's any new tracks out here. Sure not seeing any rabbits, and especially not seeing any raccoons, which is odd. Because unfortunately, this place is ate up with raccoons. But yeah, there's no bird tracks back here, nothing. Can't wait to see how much we end up getting. It ought to be interesting. But yeah, it's nice being out here. It's not that cold. Oh, don't get me wrong, it's cold, but not like it has been. Yep, it's completely covered the garlic now. It should make it without a problem. It is so beautifully quiet. It's amazing how snow insulates sound. Okay, got this. Hopefully the birds will come out. I know the birds have come out on the porch for the food. Whew. Winter Wonderland is an understatement. My poor lilac is almost buried. My eastern quarter of the circle is definitely buried, and that proves it's over a foot. Alright, I'm gonna cut this one short. Oh, good grief. That's how much snow has fell so far. Because I planted those the other day. Yep. It's definitely a winter wonderland. Just gotta make it to Sunday when this stuff should start melting. I gotta come out and gather more snow to make snow cream, and also snow water for doing magic with. Alright, I'm gonna end this before it gets too long. Everybody stay warm, stay safe, and blessings upon you.